Come on, Blue Jay, come back. What? You have to go do your homework.
Hold on.
Come on, Blue Jay. Hopefully he comes back. Yeah, I'll start recording when he comes back. Guys, I found a pigeon. That's a cool animal. Look at, there's a pigeon. I see the pigeon. There's a pigeon right there. No, it's not that cool. Come on. Guys, I literally found it. It's right there. Do you guys see that bird right there? That bird right there, up in the sky. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there. That bird right there. The one that just flew is on the top. It's on the top. It's right there. It's right there. I'll take a picture. Please, please.
Mom.
Travis, leave it alone.
Mom, the Blue Jay's back.
So I'm gonna take a picture of it, please.
Dude, come on.
It's a really cool animal. Look at all those birds. This is bird mania right here. Hopefully they're not coming for me. But look at that bird. I've never seen that bird around here. Never. The only birds I've ever seen were like the little birds and like the black ones. But look at that one. That blue one's cool. Please come down. Come down, bro. Come down, bro. He knows I'm recording it. Like, stop recording, you little bird watcher. No freaking way. That's insane. All these birds, though. Look at them. These birds are just so freaking. Like, look at. All those birds. Look at them. They're all going to the floor because all the seeds. Look at. Bro, bird. Come on, calm down. Calm down. Look at all those birds. Look at that one. That was cool. It's like a scale or something. Its feathers are beautiful. I love them. You scared him away!
I have a credit card though.
It's not a credit card. No, it's not. Aww, my brother scared them all away.
No, but sure, have a
Look at all those birds, man. We get a lot
I have
of
a credit
birds.
card.
It's not a credit card.
Credit card.
Not a credit card.
Look at credit card.
I'll beat your freaking nails. How? That's not a credit card. That's a gift card. Is it?
You want a bean burrito right now?
Huh?
You want a bean burrito?
No.
No? You food something?
Nah.
Don't let him eat grass, okay?
Okay. No, son. You better not eat grass, Firulais. No grass. But look at all those birds, man. No, stop. Stop! But look at all those birds, man. They're not gonna come out because Shelby's ugly, but... Shelby, don't you have homework to do? Stop. Yeah, I'm trying to catch the birdies. Oh, where did it go? No, I lost it. Where did it go? I think it's right there. It's like right there, guys. It's like, I hope, guys. It's like right there. Right there. Look at all these birds, though. There's a lot of birds in my house. In my backyard. Just saying, that's a lot of birds. But you guys already saw. Ooh, they're coming down. But I'm gonna pause the video until the blue one comes down. But that was insane. Guys, look at all those birds out there. Look at them. There's like a brown one right there. There's a black one. Come on, it's safe, Bluebird. It's safe. Look at, I like that one right there. It's like its neck has different colors. Hola, Franchito. That one's cool. Look, there's a little one. I can speak bird. Look at how they're all coming down. Come on, Bluebird. Look at them. They're just... What made them run away? I literally just moved my foot and they ran away already. Oh, they're down or something? Oh, look at they're on the thing. They're leaving. Oh. No, they're leaving. Just gotta see a little bit. But yeah, those are a lot of birds. Yeah. Peace out.